On May 6, 2025, the skies above Kadina Air Base in Okinawa, Japan, roared with the sound of American air power. The air base, a critical hub for U.S. military operations in the Pacific, became the stage for an awe-inspiring display of strength and coordination. The U.S. Air Force orchestrated a breathtaking elephant walk, a meticulously planned exercise where dozens of aircraft taxi in close formation, resembling a herd of elephants. This maneuver is not just about the spectacle, it's a demonstration of readiness and rapid deployment capabilities, a strategic display of military might. The precision and discipline required for such an operation underscore the high level of training and preparedness of the U.S. Air Force personnel. This event showcased a formidable lineup of aircraft and equipment, including state-of-the-art F-35S, F-15S, and larger support aircraft. Each plane, a marvel of modern engineering, plays a crucial role in the U.S. military's strategic operations, sending a clear message of deterrence and resolve to the entire Indo-Pacific region. The sheer number of aircraft and the seamless coordination among them serve as a stark reminder of the U.S.'s military prowess. More than just a visual spectacle, the Elephant Walk represents the United States' commitment to maintaining stability and security in a region grappling with increasing geopolitical tensions. The exercise is a testament to the U.S.'s ability to mobilize and project power swiftly and effectively. The event underscored the strength of the U.S.-Japan alliance, highlighting the close cooperation and mutual support between the two nations. This partnership is vital for ensuring peace and stability in the region, and served as a powerful reminder of America's ability to project force far from its shores. The Elephant Walk at Kadina Air Base was not just a show of force, but a clear statement of the U.S.'s unwavering commitment to its allies and its readiness to defend its interests in the Indo-Pacific region. The Kadena Elephant Walk wasn't just another routine exercise, it was a record-breaking spectacle. With a staggering 53 aircraft and 2 U.S. Army Patriot missile batteries participating, it eclipsed the previous record of 52 aircraft set at Hill Air Force Base in 2020. This impressive display of force involved a diverse range of assets from the U.S. Air Force, U.S. Navy, and U.S. Army. The sheer number of aircraft involved highlighted the logistical complexity and coordination required to execute such an operation successfully. The Elephant Walk provided a rare glimpse into the diverse arsenal at the disposal of the U.S. military. This impressive display of military might showcased the readiness and capability of the U.S. Air Force to respond to any threat. The sight of numerous aircraft lined up in perfect formation was a testament to the rigorous training and discipline of the pilots and ground crews. Leading the pack were 24 F-35A Lightning II stealth fighters, each one a marvel of modern engineering. These aircraft are designed to be virtually invisible to radar, allowing them to penetrate deep into enemy territory without detection. The F-35A is the most advanced multi-role combat aircraft in the world, capable of performing a wide range of missions from air superiority to ground attack. Its versatility makes it an invaluable asset to the U.S. military. These cutting-edge jets, known for their stealth capabilities and advanced sensor fusion, can gather and share information in real time, providing unparalleled situational awareness to pilots and commanders. Representing a significant leap in air combat technology, the F-35A Lightning II integrates advanced avionics, powerful engines, and sophisticated weapon systems to dominate the skies. Adding to the firepower were 8 F-15E Strike Eagles, a formidable force in their own right. These aircraft have been a mainstay of the U.S. Air Force for decades, continually upgraded to meet the demands of modern warfare. Renowned for their air-to-air and air-to-ground combat prowess, the F-15E Strike Eagles are equipped with a wide array of weapons, from air-to-air missiles to precision-guided bombs. These versatile aircraft are capable of delivering precision strikes at long ranges, making them a crucial asset in any conflict. Their ability to carry out both offensive and defensive missions ensures they can adapt to any battlefield scenario. Making them a crucial asset in any conflict, the F-15E Strike Eagles have proven their worth time and again in various combat operations around the world. The presence of these aircraft alongside the F-35S highlighted the U.S. Air Force's ability to field a diverse and powerful fleet. The combination of stealth and firepower ensures that the U.S. can maintain air superiority in any theater of operations, demonstrated the U.S. commitment to maintaining air superiority in the region. This display of advanced technology and military prowess sends a clear message to potential adversaries: the U.S. is prepared and capable of defending its interests and allies. The primary objective of the Elephant Walk was not to prepare for imminent conflict, but to send an unambiguous message of deterrence. By showcasing its ability to rapidly deploy and maneuver a significant force, the U.S. aimed to discourage potential adversaries from miscalculating the regional balance of power. Military officials were explicit about the exercise's purpose. Brigadier General Nicholas Evans, commander of the 18th Wing at Kadina Air Base, emphasized the demonstration of air power and the U.S. commitment to the alliance with Japan and regional stability. Section 5. The Walk, a choreographed ballet of military might. The Elephant Walk itself was a marvel of coordination and precision. The aircraft, ranging from nimble helicopters to massive tanker aircraft, taxied in tight formation, their wings nearly touching. The sight of these powerful machines moving in unison was a testament to the skill and professionalism of the airmen and support crews involved. Helicopters and drones led the procession, followed by the fighter jets with larger aircraft and Patriot missile systems bringing up the rear and flanks. This deliberate arrangement showcased the diverse capabilities of the U.S. military and its ability to operate effectively in any environment. Section 6. A week of readiness beyond the Elephant Walk. The Elephant Walk was the culmination of a week-long series of exercises designed to enhance the readiness and interoperability of U.S. forces in the region. These exercises included ground burst simulators, smoke canisters, and mobilization drills, all aimed at simulating real-world combat scenarios. These exercises ensured that U.S. forces stationed at Kadina Air Base are prepared to respond to any contingency, from natural disasters to military threats. By constantly training and honing their skills, these service members remain ready to defend U.S. interests and those of its allies at a moment's notice. Section 7, Kadina Air Base, a strategic outpost in a tense region. The location of the Elephant Walk, Kadina Air Base, further amplified its significance. Located on the island of Okinawa, Japan, Kadena is the largest U.S. Air Force base in the Pacific and is strategically positioned approximately 400 miles off the coast of China. This strategic location places Kadena at the forefront of any potential conflict in the region. The base serves as a critical hub for U.S. forces operating in the Indo-Pacific, providing a platform for power projection and a strategic deterrent against potential aggression. Section 8, the vital roles. Each aircraft, a piece of the puzzle. Every aircraft that participated in the Elephant Walk played a specific role in showcasing the U.S. military's multifaceted capabilities. The KC-135 Stratotankers and MC-130J Commando II Special Operations tankers provided aerial refueling capabilities, extending the range and endurance of the fighter jets. The RC-135 Rivet Joint Reconnaissance Aircraft and P-8 Poseidon Maritime Patrol Aircraft provided electronic surveillance and intelligence gathering, enhancing situational awareness and providing critical information to commanders on the ground. Section 9. A powerful symbol, the U.S.-Japan alliance standing strong. The Elephant Walk at Kadena Air Base was more than just a display of military hardware. It was a powerful symbol of the enduring U.S.-Japan alliance. This alliance, forged in the aftermath of World War II, has been a cornerstone of peace and stability in the Asia-Pacific region for over 7 decades. The sight of military aircraft from both nations lined up in perfect unison, ready to take off at a moment's notice, sends a clear message to the world. It demonstrates the readiness and resolve of both nations to stand together in the face of any threat. The cooperation between the U.S. and Japan extends beyond just military exercises. It encompasses intelligence sharing, joint training programs, and strategic planning. The mutual respect and trust built over the years have created a partnership that is both resilient and adaptable. This partnership is not just about defense. It is about promoting shared values of democracy, freedom, and the rule of law. The historical roots of this alliance run deep. After the devastation of World War II, the U.S. and Japan transformed from adversaries to allies. This transformation was not just a political maneuver but a genuine effort to rebuild and secure a peaceful future for the region. Over the decades, this alliance has evolved to address new challenges and threats, adapting to the changing geopolitical landscape. As China continues to assert its military might and North Korea's nuclear ambitions remain a concern, the US-Japan alliance is more important than ever. The strategic importance of this partnership cannot be overstated. It serves as a counterbalance to regional threats and ensures that both nations are prepared to respond to any crisis swiftly and effectively. Joint military drills and exercises like the Elephant Walk are crucial in maintaining the operational readiness of both forces. These drills are not just about showcasing military might, they are about building interoperability and understanding between the two forces. The ability to operate seamlessly together is a testament to the strength of this alliance. The Elephant Walk served as a visible reminder of the commitment of both nations to deter aggression and maintain a free and open Indo-Pacific region. It is a powerful demonstration of unity and strength, showing that the US and Japan are prepared to face any challenge together. This alliance is not just a military pact, it is a symbol of shared values and a commitment to peace and stability in the region.